Xisheng lives in Zhangqiu, Jinan City, an inheritor of the intangible cultural heritage, a genuine craftsman of the Zhangqiu iron pot. 12 procedures, 18 times of smelting, 36,000 times of hammering. That's what makes a perfect pot. In a factory 15 kilometers from his hometown, a bunch of young people who grew up with the blacksmith spirit are investigating in a mega project in the forging industry. Ren Xiufeng, the general manager of Iraeta Technology R&D Center, is in charge of this mega project.
Large-sized ring forgings and shell forgings are key parts for manufacturing large equipment. It has a wide range of applications in offshore wind power, nuclear power, and oil refining.
The diameter of the rolling ring decides the power generation of a wind turbine and the refining speed of an oil refinery. The capability to manufacture seamless forgings enabled Western developed countries to lead in aviation for some time.
Before large-sized ring forgings were manufactured seamlessly, they mostly relied on welding technology. There's no factory in the world that can forge a seamless ring forging with a diameter over 12 meters.
Including Ren Xiufeng, to manufacture a large-sized seamless ring was a dream shared by many Chinese forging men. However, good tools are prerequisites to any successful execution. To forge a large-sized seamless ring, a mega workshop several times larger is required. While the mega workshop was under construction, the tech team encountered another challenge: to find the most suitable raw material for the forging: steel ingot. Not all steel ingots meet the requirements of forging large-sized seamless rings.
Traditional large-sized forgings use large steel ingots as raw material, of which the crafting is very complicated. For reasons such as the slow cooling process, the ingot would have cracks and pores, and carbon and alloy would be distributed inhomogeneously, resulting in a discrepancy in performance. The larger the ingot, the more severe these problems. The utilization rate for these large steel ingots is usually lower than 70%. It's a huge waste of material and energy.
To solve this problem, the technical team of Iraeta traveled to Shenyang to visit China's leading researcher in metallic materials, academician Li Yiyi. Li Yiyi's research group is the first one to propose the metal construction technology in the world. This technology is a breakthrough in the field of additive manufacturing. Li Yiyi's inspiration comes from the traditional forging techniques of Zhangqiu blacksmith. By hammering and hardening repeatedly, two metals are forged into one to make knives and swords. The core concept is base material construction. From small to large, use homogeneous material as a base. After surface processing, cleaning, forming a billet, vacuum packing, and shape changing in high temperature, multiple homogeneous billets are forged into one. With this method, after 7 times of resistance weldings and compressions, this steel billet fit for manufacturing a seamless ring forging comes into shape, ready to be reborn in fire. After 3 years, the production line, designed specifically for this mega project, is coming to an end. The core of this production line, the largest ring rolling machine in the world, has finally unveiled its mask. It has a total height of 28 meters above and below ground, the same as a 9-story building. The steel of the above-ground part alone weighs over 2,000 tons. Right now, we await the perfect combination between the rolling machine and steel ingot.
Then we broke through 6 meters, 8 meters, 10 meters, 12 meters, 14 meters. On May 30 this year, we made the first seamless ring worldwide with 16 meters of diameter, so we're very proud of it.
Such a mega project only requires a team of 80 members. The annual output value per capita is raised to 20 million. This is unprecedented in the history of the world's forging industry. Large-sized manufacture and forging triggered China's manufacturing industry to transform and upgrade. If we can only make seamless rings for this life, then we'll make the best in the world and leave a mark in the history of the world's manufacturing industry. This is an honor that belongs to our Chinese in the forging industry. Seamless rings from this production line are already used in the largest cement factory worldwide, being built in Mexico, drying factories in Brazil, even domestic, and forging nuclear power stations, submarines, and rockets. 126 tons. World's largest seamless ring was 16 meters of outer diameter. This mega project not only bears the load of an industrial equipment, but also a dream from made in China to intelligent manufacturing in China that connects the globe with ring forging.